Next, we're gonna cook our noodles to al dente. Next, we're gonna take 5 pieces of bacon and we're going to chop this up. Okay, we're gonna fry our bacon. Okay, our bacon is good and crispy. We'll strain our noodles. Okay, we're gonna take 6 eggs, add them to a bowl, and whisk them together. Okay, we're gonna add salt, pepper, and we're gonna give these a good whisk. Okay, here we have our noodles, our butter's melted in. Next, in goes our eggs. We're gonna add a 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. Next goes in our fried bacon. Okay. We're going to stir up our frying pan and we're going to add a 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Next, we're going to take our egg noodle mixture and add it into the pan. I'm going to cover it up and we're going to check on that in 10 minutes. All right, that was 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut this up. Smells delicious. Just got it. All right, let's cut a piece out, check it out. All right, let's give this a taste test. Certainly interesting. Here we go. Got some bacon in there. And it's got a good solid flavor. You can taste the butter, the Parmesan cheese. It's a first for us, so I'm gonna say this was a success. We'll see what the kids think. Thanks for watching.